Hi, today we're going to learn about if-else statements. First, let's type in if 0 is greater than 1, system.out.println 0 is greater than 1. Else, if 0 is less than 1, system.out.println 0 is less than 1. So in this program, if this condition results to true, then this prints out. If this results to true, then this prints out. Let's run the program. Here you can see that 0 is less than 1. And as a result, this resulted to true, while this is false. And here, these are the relational operators. There are 6 of them. There's equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. And these relational operators compare the condition to see if it's true or false. And if neither of these are true, then nothing happens unless you put else here. And system.out.println. If neither of them are true, then this prints out. Press run. If neither are true, this prints out. So you can see here that 0 is not greater than 1, and 0 is not 1. So if neither of them are true, then else runs automatically. Okay, this is it for today, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.